Our story begins in the year 20XX AD, when Non Anon and Iku Hoshifuri were at their peaks. Non enjoys and Iku enjoys fire. Wait, wrong timeline. Okay, much better. When they were at their peaks in high school.
Oh my god, like, totally.
Iku enjoys tax evasion and BL, in that order.
Like, yes, girl!
Non likes twerking and spitting on babies. The order is not important. Iku and Non have been BFFs since birth.
Girl, goo gaga. Goo.
And this is Chad Thunderclock, the star quarterback of the Murican football team, not soccer. Chad Thunderclock enjoys chicks and chicks with great personalities.
Oh my god, ew, it's Chad. He's like so annoying.
I know, right? Boys are like so gross.
I would never date someone like Chad Thunderclock.
Right? Like, oh my god, he is such a tool.
Girl, anyways, so who are you going to like junior prom with?
No one yet. What about you, bestie?
Oh my god, we can totally be girl bossing and go out with each other.
Oh my god, yes! I'm so down for that, for real.
Yes. Anyways, you wanna get like Mickey D's or something?
Girl, I'm on a diet.
Oh,
Yeah, so, well, let's go get Gato Bell instead.
deal.
Pog.
Okay, girl, I gotta go.
Yeah, same body.
I just tapped that.
I want to lick his sweat.
Things are not always what they seem on the surface. Little did the two besties know. This was only the calm before the storm.